If you're taking the test, you're going to have this formula sheet. They're not going to all be in order like they are on this worksheet. So the thing is, what do I have? What am I looking for? And what formula do I need to use? This is like a toolbox that you're going to go to and say, okay. So what I like to do is I like to classify all the sides and angles. So this angle here is big C. Everybody see that? This side here is little a, and this side here is little b. So if you look at the first formulas, the first three, look at the third one. It has a little a little b, and a big C. Everybody see that? So you use that one. 1/2 AB sine of C. Yeah, that's love sign. So we have 1/2 times 6 times 8 times the sine of 43. And 1/2 times 6 and 8 is 24 sine of 43, or you can put it all in your calculator. Go ahead and do that. The area equals 16.37 square units, whatever the units are. If it's inches, it would be square inches. Everybody understand how to do that one? All right, so let's go to number 7. So here I have 2 angles and a side, but we all know we could find the third angle. So everybody find the third angle. On this one I have big A, big B, big C, and little a. So on the 3 on the right, one has little c, one has little b, and one has little a. So I use the third one again. Everybody see that? And if you look at these formulas, whatever side you have, that's the sine of the angle that goes in the basement. Like in the second one, it's b squared, so you have a little b. Then the sine of b goes downstairs in the equation. And the top one, you have little c, then the sine of big C goes in the basement. Got it? So don't make silly mistakes on this. So we got 1/2 a squared sine of b sine of c over sine of a. Okay? And then we just plug in the numbers. So we have, I like putting 0.5. It's easier to key in my calculator. And then a squared would be 4 squared. He's upstairs. Times sine of 141 times sine of 16 over sine of 23. Go ahead and key that in your calculator. I don't like putting A for area because big A is already an angle in these pictures. So I write either the word out area, or the way they do it in the book is I use the letter capital K. You can do either one, but don't put big A because big A is the angle. Hero's formula is when you have 3 sides. We're going to do number 13. And we have 15, a 15, and a 4. And this is big B, big C, and big A. So the little b is this guy, the little a is this guy, and the little c is this guy. Find the s, you do 1/2 of the sum of the sides. So that's 1/2 of 34, which is 17. So we're going to find the formula, and that is s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, which we're going to put it all in the calculator, is 17 times 17 minus 15 times 17 minus 15 again times 17 minus 4. I would put these guts in the calculator first and then square root the answer.